Luis L. Ignacio, BSF 3, Final Examination in Fish Aquaculture. Question number 1. Factors to consider in selecting species with aquaculture potential. The selection of aquaculture system or approach of adapt in the particular development is determined by several factors include the following: development goals, objectives, and target beneficiaries, acceptability, marketability of culture species, availability, and level of technology. Number 2. Why should a procedure consider raising tilapia in a male molecule culture? All tilapia inhibit early sexual maturity that leads to controlled reproduction of large number of stern and after unmarketable progeny. Single-sex culture eliminates these problems, and males are the obvious choice, as they exhibit considerably faster growth and achieve large size than females. Tilapia is a very prolific fish that will breed even the less than ideal considerations. This can be a problem in tilapia farm, as the swinging can be reduce the growth rate and increase the fish density in the holding facilities. Number 3. Describe 3 methods of fertilizer a tilapia pond for increased productions: phosphate and nitrogen fertilizer, potassium fertilizer, and sulfur phosphate nitrogen or organic fertilizer. This feeding strategy depends on the application of inorganic and or organic fertilizer to stimulate the production of living foods organisms and plants in the culture system, and is typical of extensive and semi-intensive tilapia farming system. In this case of Nile tilapia culture, the production of phytoplankton should be the primary target. Pond fertilization strategies are locality dependent. Many factors determine the success of the fertilization regimen. The most important of these are soil types, water quality, species culture, and the types, application method, and rate of fertilizer used. Of the must be careful considered despite of lack of dusk. Consider protocol of pond fertilization. The activeness of any program can be easily monitored by measure of turbidity of the pond water. Number 4. Describe why an understanding of sex determination is important. Sex determination refers to the development process by which of the sex of an individual is determined. It is one of the most fundamental processes in biology, as sex is critical to the survival and evolution of sexually reproducing organisms. Sexual reproduce as it determines the adaptive value of species because it introduces new genetic variability into the notion in each new genetics. Give 3 reasons why culture fish increase the constant for disease. Disease even can't occur in fish farm because fish are fed at higher densities than nature increase. Contact between fish infected fish are not removed as properly from the farm as they would be. The nature predator from fish are more closely and easily absorbed than bird fish. Fish disease are caused by the wide range of infectious organisms including virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoan, and metazoan parasites. Number 6. Why are the antioxidant used of fish diet? Antioxidants prevent oxidative losses of vitamin A and E and prevent their oils and ketoherotency is the storm mix feed. Antioxidant establish critical oxidation is susceptible nutrients that are naturally present in a fish feed compose the several feedstuffs so that losses are minimal from mixing and storing. If pigmenting substances are used, the antioxidants are definitely needed. The benefits are adequate, consistent fish span all except of fish production, which include the processing and handling of feedstuff, formulation, and fish culture practices. Number 7. Describe why pigment are important in fish diet. Adding pigment substance and especially astaxanthin to the feed's maximum color solution during the processing that provides color stability for 6 months. The coloration of fish is produced by 3 colors pigment which are large contained between cell called chromatophores. 3 pigment of hensteric red, melanin black, and xanthin yellow is the which of color of different chromatophores. Number 8. Explain the meaning of grow out of spans. The freshwater span from a very similar to a freshwater fish farm. The third farm design is not provided in this manual because a berry farm must be unique to its height characteristic. A photograph of the large freshwater span form is given it. This section of the manual briefly introduced same regular principle of aquafarm development. Swam up to grow at saltwater pond and feed on a pilot diet of fish meal, fish soil, and plant protein like soybeans. Yung developments of swam nutrition and genetic selections is resulting to the different unitizations of feed reduce prevention of each meal of fish oil and swam diet. Number 9. Describe the effects of the vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C deficiency manifests symptomatically after 8 to 12 weeks of inadequate intake. The present as irritability to aneurysms. After this immune system epidemiologic findings includes poor food healing, gingival feeling, loss system. Because of the description of the disulfide bond formulation, both of crackrow and sway neck hair appear. Perifollicular hemorrhage are the often locational and lower extremities as capability fragility cannot produce. This can result in hooded edema. Nail finger findings include and feather hemorrhage, Baynes macrocutaneous manifestations, multiple other organ systems also the involved problem occur in the pointing inherent motorness induced substaral hemorrhage. Number 10. Define nutrition. Nutrition is the study of how to food and drink affect our body with special record in the essential nutrients necessary to support human health. It looks at the physiological and biological process involved in the nutrition and how to substances involved is nutrition and how sustained a food provide energy or are biological process. This nutrition which are the source of energy for our bodies across as carbohydrates, fats, fiber, minerals, proteins, vitamins, and water. Good nutrition means obtaining the right amount of nutrition from the health food as the right combinations. An important part of the study of nutrition is looking at disease and can be resolved from malnutrition and the role that foods play of development chronic disease.